Hello all. Today I'm going to focus on some courses related to video editing and also how to face interview. Some skills required for attending the interviews. Uh, so first course is basically on video editing. You can see where this course is entirely is on video editing, where you can able to edit videos, and also it is online editing tools are available here. How and also in this case, there are different types of videos that you can edit. So you can make marketing videos, and also you can make and edit the videos with a browser, and and also for teachers, you can able to create the lesson or record the lesson, and you can make it uh, some animated videos. So this course will help you in generating the engaging content through videos. So you can see the related topic that you will be learning here is in video, video design, and photography and video. So this actually course is for free currently as on today. So it will be there for free for 4 days. So if you enroll to this course within 4 days, you can get it as a free course. You can learn it for free. Otherwise, after 4 days, if you want to enroll, they might charge you. Uh, so 2 to 3 days you can take time. Just go through the course. If you are interested, you can able to join this course. So second course is uh, based on Filmora. As you might already knowing what is Filmora. Filmora is also a video editing tool, and you can see the version he has given here. So zero to hero video editing, right from the beginner level to the advanced level, you can able to learn. And these are the things, or these are the key aspects they are focusing. What you are learning here. So many things are there. You can able to observe important one of them where rendering, video editing, speed controls, audio equalizer, audio mixer, all these different aspects of video editing you can able to learn by using this course. And apart from that, it is for free currently uh, for 4 days. So within 4 days, if you want to learn it as a free, you should enroll this course within 4 days. And this course utilizes Filmora 10th version and also Filmora 9th. So by using these two softwares, we can able to edit videos. So these are the contents which will be uh, taken in the code during the duration of the course, and all these course links will be uh, put in the description box. Um, Third course, which is also related to video editing, that can see that is called as the video scribe whiteboard animation. So this actually is also a video editing tool where you will be learning video scribe software, where it is a whiteboard where you can generate some animations, video animations, and completely beginner can able to take up this course. And one more thing is that it is also free of cost, within 4 days you need to enroll. So that is what is the condition. And what are the things you will be learning in this case? They will be doing 2 to 3 projects on this software, and they will be telling you about how to create engaging whiteboard animation, and moreover, it's more related to for the students where if they are doing some projects or if they have some projects to animate. So if they are building some experimental data, so for them it will be very much useful. So by using whiteboard animation, you can able to visually tell the stories or visually describe your technical topics as well. So this why it is also free of cost. It is available if you enroll within 4 days. So last course that I will be highlighting is from Tata New Skills. So this is also a website, tatanewskills.com is also a website where you can able to join plenty of courses. Here you can see this is website tatanewskills.com. In course section, I am there currently. So in this, you can see there are many free courses are also available, and some courses are offering certificates for free. So you can see. So almost related to some IT field is there, machine learning is there, soft skills are there. So right now I am in job interview skills, which is comes under soft skills. Apart from that, you can also learn effective business communication. All these are free of cost. So currently I am in job interview essential. How actually we can focus on interview skills. Here, it is very useful for the students where who are looking for a job right after their education or academics completion. So where here the videos are self-learning. You can see self-paced videos are there and already existing, and also they will give some quiz and assignments so that you can able to develop your own resume. And around 13 hours of session will be there, and it is prepared by industry experts. So that is what is the advantage you can get by you learning this course. You can able to prepare well for the interview. And finally, we'll be getting one completion certificate right after completing this course. You can see here what are the skills you will be learning in this. So presentation skills, resume, and job description and profiling, optimize digital profile, handling difficult conversation, answering behavioral questions. So all these are very much helpful whenever you are facing an interview. So that's why whom this course is helpful. That is also given here. You can able to observe. So new job aspirant. That means a fresher can apply for this, or recent graduates or students, career changers. If you are shifting your career from one area to another area, working professionals, this will be helpful, and for entrepreneurs who are interested in doing some business. So for all these type of students, so these courses or this course will be helpful. So four courses I told you today. So three are from basically for video editing, and last course is about job interview essential. So basically, all these four courses are freely available as of now in the Udemy. So for Udemy, you need to register within 4 days. After 4 days, they might charge you. So hope that this course will be helpful for you. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.